Is your Google Chrome running slow or not loading websites properly? Clearing the cache can help fix these issues. In this video, I'll show you how to clear the cache in Google Chrome. So let's get started. The first thing that you'll need to do is to open Google Chrome and click on the top right corner of your screen. And here you'll be able to find this history button on the drop down. So click on that and click on history under that. Now that will take you into Google Chrome's history page. So what you can do here is to click on this delete browsing data button at the bottom left of your screen. Now in here, go ahead and delete your browsing data depending on your preference. So you can delete it with the basic and the advanced mode. The difference between the two is through the basic mode, you can delete your browsing history, cookies and cache images and files, and select the duration of this deleted files. Now on the advanced section, you can actually find passwords and other sign-in data, autofill form data, site settings, and hosted app data. So you can pick in between the two and then set the time range depending on your need. So click on that delete data button to delete, or also known as clear cache, in Google Chrome. If this video helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.